If you want to learn how to make this amount of money, you see the $100 payments constantly coming in. If you want to learn how to do this, and you also want to learn how to get free Domino's gift cards, free Amazon gift cards, free Walmart gift cards, I'm gonna show you that in this video. Make sure you stay until the end. Let's go. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to make money online very quickly. This is going to be easy. You're going to need 3 apps to get started. You're going to need to sign up with those 3 apps, and you're also going to want to make sure that you are qualified in order to refer people. So we're going to be using a referral method to refer people to these apps, and these apps are going to be paying us big money. There's a certain system that you can go to ensure that you get big referral bonuses for referring these people. So I'm actually going to teach you exactly how to do this, and I'm actually teach you how to post an ad on Facebook work from home groups and actually get a whole lot of people interested in what you're doing, and actually converting those people into, referrals, and actually making a whole lot of money, and actually teaching those other people how to make money online as well for themselves. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. In this video, I teach you different ways on how to make money online. If you are somebody that has been around for a while, you probably have heard my name before. My name is Joffrey Ward. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Also like this video, because I know you guys are going to enjoy this content, and I know you guys are actually going to make a whole lot of money by doing this. So I'm actually speaking that into existence, because I want you guys to make as much money as you can. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's 3 apps you're going to need. You're going to need Hooch, you're going to need Fetch Rewards, and you're going to need an app called Waldo. All of those links will be in the description below. You just sign up for Hooch. You're basically just connecting a debit card, any debit card. Once you connect that account, this is a cashback app, so it gives you cashbacks on things like Netflix and things of that nature. So you're going to be earning money from that. So you're going to need a Hooch account to actually get your referral link, and I'm actually going to show you how to get your referral link in a minute. You also want to sign up for Fetch Rewards, and you also going to want to sign up for Waldo. I know I've been beating down Waldo, but Waldo has been paying me hundreds of dollars per day, and it's all thanks to this particular referral method that I'm about to introduce you to. So you're going to be able to go out and refer people to Waldo and actually make a whole lot of money. If you don't know what Waldo is, for example, let's say I bought this iPhone for $300 off Amazon. Let's say that the price went down to $200, and I bought it at the $300 price. So what Waldo does is they contact Amazon and say, hey, you have a customer that purchased this iPhone at $300. It went down to $200. I think it's only right that you rebate him that $100 extra that he spent. So they rebate the $100 and actually put it in your Waldo balance, and you're able to transfer the money directly to your PayPal. So you're saving money, and it actually monitors the price drops, especially if you're buying TVs and mics and things of the nature, mics and stands and things of the nature. Those prices go up and down. So it's making sure that you're getting your money, and it monitors that for you. So in order to qualify for Waldo, which is a whole different story, you have to have 5 email receipts from a qualifying brand. They have 100 brands, so out of the big ones like Amazon, Best Buy, whatever, and you have to have a Gmail. So a lot of people might have the email receipts, but they might not have it on a Gmail. That's just like me. I have an Outlook and I have a Gmail, but obviously I had enough email receipts on my Gmail in order to qualify. So the things you need is 5 email receipts and 1 Gmail account. Those 5 email receipts have to be in that Gmail account, because you're going to sync that up. They're going to get those email receipts, and they're going to be monitoring those prices. And when those prices drop, obviously you're going to get your refund or whatever, and you need that in order to qualify to refer people. So once you do that, you're going to sign up, and you're going to go over here to the refer a friend link. So you can see I'm right here, and you can see it synced my last 24 purchases that I have in here. So you can just see all of this in here, and all of these items are expired because I bought them a little bit late. But anyway, like I said, all of these are pretty much Amazon. So anything that I bought off Amazon is on here. Okay, so what you can do is you come over here to refer a friend, and you basically just get just one up as we talking. But anyway, you just go over here and you go to get $10 for each friend who signs up. And also, not only do you get $10 for friends that you sign up, before this, they had it at $5 per friend that you refer. So I referred a whole lot of people a long time ago at the $5 rate. They are now just getting their email receipts, and I'm actually still getting $5 referral credits for people that I referred a long time ago, even though even though they've already signed up for Waldo. So you can refer a whole lot of people, and the Christmas seasons come, and you refer a whole lot of people while it's $10 per person. And then Christmas season comes, they get their 5 email receipts just by shopping online for Christmas for people. And you could be getting $10 over and over in your referral account, even if it goes back down to $5 because you referred the people at the $10. When it was a $10 promotion, you're still going to get that amount by referring people. So that's just clear. I want to make that clear. I want to make sure that you guys understand it. So you're going to be referring people to 3 apps. So I'm going to teach you how to do this, and I want you guys to pay very close attention because I'm going to go really quickly with this. So you're going to need Hooch and you're going to need Fetch Rewards. The reason why I say you need these two, and for Hooch, I don't know if I already said this or I probably forgot, you just need a card in order to link and you get your first $5. And what you need to do, if you don't have your 5 email receipts already, if anybody watching this video and don't have 5 email receipts or Gmail and new to this whole thing, what you want to do is you actually want to go get 5 people, family and friends, really quickly, sign up for Hooch, get certified, get your account linked. So let me just go over here and actually just show this to you guys instead of just talking about it. Instead of boring you guys with my talk, I'm gonna actually show you some really cool things that you guys can take advantage of. Let me screen monitor and let me go over here. So let me do this really quickly. So we're going to start with Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards, you can see my iPhone over here. Let me move it to the middle so you guys can see it a little bit better. But this is my iPhone, and we're in here, and basically, let me kind of move this down. Anyway, you're basically scanning receipts. So when you scan your first receipt and you use my code that will be in the description below and it'll also be on my link tree, you're actually going to earn your first $2 on here. If you have more than 1 receipt, you can scan however many receipts that you want to. So let me just go show you my view all stats, and you can just see the amounts of receipts that I've scanned in here. And I haven't even been consistent with this, but you can see the ones that they take Walmart, Sam's Club, Dollar General. So this is basically an app that pays you to scan receipts. Very simple, very easy. They also give you more points for particular brands that you buy, like Mountain Dew, Maxwell House, all that good stuff. So they pay in gift cards. They pay in Amazon gift cards. That's how I got in. I don't know if you saw the trailer before I got started. That's how I got this $10 Domino's gift card. Because of the amount of points that I had. So I got 10,000 points, 1,000 points equals $10. And I was able to get this $10 Domino's gift card. So if I go back over here and just open this up for you guys, that's basically how I got that. So all you have to do is, in order to get your first, initial points, is to download this app, scan your first receipt. You're going to get 2,000 points. Once you get your 2,000 points, you're good to go. You can now go and start referring people. So you will go over here, and like I said, this is my code if you want to use it to get your first 2,000 points. You can see I've earned over 92,000 points referring people to this, and I've actually earned in total, I think, 98,000 points, which is a little bit of around $98. So you want to copy this code, and you want to actually enter it in to scan to get the 2,000 points on your first receipt. So this is important because if you don't use this particular code, you're not going to get your 2,000 points, and you're not going to be able to get the $3 gift card very, very quickly. So once you make it to 3,000 points, and if you have other receipts as well, like Walmart, Dollar General, if they're in the last 2 weeks, you can scan all of those receipts and earn those points off of all those brands. Okay, so you could be easily at 5,000 or 10,000 points very, very quickly just by scanning receipts that you already purchased and used, and that's just been sitting in your purse and sitting in your glove compartment of your car. Okay, so you will get that. And if you, like I said, if you're not qualified, you don't have your 5 email receipts, you go get $10. You will refer 5 people. And basically, so once you get through scanning your receipts, you go over here, you get your code, and you refer 5 people to this app, and you tell them to download this app, teach them the sign up process, go through it with them. You can even do a screen share video and show them exactly what they need to do step by step. And you give them your code. They sign up, they scan their first receipts, you get 2,000 points. You refer 5 people, that's 10,000 points very, very quickly. And you come over here and you get your $10 gift card. You can then come over here to Amazon and get you a free Prime membership. If you don't have a free Prime membership and you don't have a Gmail, so what you can do is just create you another Gmail, sign up and do the free Prime trial, which basically you can just try Prime. And they'll give you, a free 30 days, I think it is, to try Prime and get free 2-day shipping and delivery. That's important because you won't have to pay shipping on Prime items. So you come over here, you type in $1 item on Amazon, you hit Prime. And there's a whole lot of $1 items that are Prime items that you can add to your cart. So you will want to purchase these things separately. Since it's free shipping, and you're not going to be paying anything extra. You just want to buy these each separately. So you're going to get one email receipt to your Gmail. One will be, let's say you get Skittles. The other one will be for these silly scent condoms. Another one for right here. This is only if you already have 5 email receipts, you're good to go. But you'll be just doing this, and that, and you'll just be you'll be stacking up those email receipts in your Gmail. And then when you have 5, you can go over to Waldo, qualify really quickly. The only thing you will need to do is add your own bank or debit card and just add that to there, and you're good to go. And you're qualified. You can start referring people. Very simple. Okay, that's just only for Fish Rewards. What you can do with Hooch, and let me just pull up my thing right here since I'm already over here. Come over here to Hooch and do the same thing. Refer 5 friends. I had the app. I don't know what I actually did with it. Oh, here it is. This is the app right here. So I have $2 in here. I just got another $25 gift card, and this is the proof right here for Domino's, just by referring people. So what you want to do is you want to refer 5 people quickly, family and friends. This is how I started making money in apps very, very quickly and able to show payment proof. I've referred my family and friends that are in front of me first, and then I started making money with the app. I withdraw, and then I show that the app pays. But this is very, very simple to do. So you want to get your 5 family and friends to sign up, and all they have to do is link a card through here. So they sign up, and both of these, they can sign up with Facebook. So just tell them to sign up through Facebook, confirm their email address, make sure their email address is the email address is the same one they want to receive the gift cards and stuff too. But anyway, sorry about that. Once they get in here, they're good to go. They just come over here. They basically sign up. They link a debit or credit card, and once they link a debit or credit card, they're going to get $5 up front, and that $5 is going to be in there. In order to redeem a gift card, and I'll go over here and show you the redeem feature. And redeem gift cards, you can do other things in here as well, but in order to redeem a gift card, they have to have a minimum of $25. So that's why I tell them to refer 5 people, because if they refer 5 people, they'll have $25, because 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so they'll have $25 up front. They can get that gift card, and let's say they want to split it up between Fish Rewards or Hooch or whatever. They can still come in here and buy some of these, like I said, $1 items and get qualified for Waldo very, very quickly. So the same process that I just showed you, what you're going to do, and this is going to be very, very key, you're going to post an ad on Facebook, and you're going to get the people that you want to refer, you're going to get them to do the same thing. So this is a trick to this. So if they already have 5 email receipts, you want to get them to sign up for Waldo, because you get paid $10 per referral. So you post an ad. I'll show you an ad really quickly. It says right here, I said, I want to teach 100 people how to make $100 a day for free. This is very simple, and it's free to sign up. To get started, come in info. And you can see somebody come in info, and then basically I just said, if you want to get started with me, just send me info. So if the first question I'm going to ask her, if I don't send her to a video that I've already did, the first thing I'm going to ask her, do you have 5 email receipts from in the last 6 months from Amazon or places like that? If she says yes, it's no need for me to go to Hooch and Fish Rewards first, because they're not paying me $10 per referral. So I probably would tell her to go over to Waldo, sign up for Waldo first, and then refer her to Hooch and Fish Rewards, and send her my referral link for those. That's the only time. So what I want you guys to get this in your mind. If they already have 5 email receipts, then you want to get them to Waldo quickly, because you get $10 per referral. And if they go ahead and sign up through your link, you can get $10 really quickly. So that's more than Hooch and Fish Rewards combined, because combined they're only $7. Okay, that's very, very simple. So when she successfully signs up for Waldo, then I'll refer her to Hooch and Fish Rewards, and I'll still be getting those gift cards as well. If she does not qualify for Hooch, or not Hooch, but she doesn't qualify for Waldo, she doesn't have a Gmail, she doesn't have 5 email receipts, what I would do is refer her to Hooch and Fish Rewards first. So I say, hey, in order for you to sign up for this big money making thing that's earning me $251, because this is from Waldo. So in order for you to sign up for that, you need 5 email receipts, and you need a Gmail. So what I need for you to do is to sign up for Gmail first, sign up for these apps, refer 5 of your family members in Hooch, and refer 5 family members in Fish Rewards, which is the same one for scanning receipts. And you might, like I said, want to do a video actually showing her step by step on how to sign up, so they will actually convert a little bit more. But you want to take your time with your referrals so you can make sure that they're doing it correctly. But once they sign up for Hooch and Fresh Rewards, you tell them to go over here. You just basically use that new Gmail, sign up. Basically what I just showed you in the video. So if you want to rewatch this video, you can go all the way back and just what I just taught you how to do is the exact thing you want to tell your referrals to do. Sign up for Fresh Rewards Hooch, get your first set of gift cards, go over here to Amazon, and once they get through adding, each thing to their cart, they can just, enter in the gift card code on the last page, and then they just pay for that stuff for free. They have free shipping with Prime shipping, so that stuff is coming directly to their house, and they have their first email receipt, so you need to do that 4 more times to get 5, and then they're qualified for Waldo. Simple as that. So this is an ad that I posted in here, and I'll show you another one. This is another one using the gift card part. So getting people interested in the gift card part. And so I posted this in here as well. So this was me getting 2 gift cards yesterday. Somebody asked for info, and I tell them I'll teach them $7 for signing up. So it's $5 for Hooch and then $2 for signing up with Fresh Rewards. So they'll have a total of $7. So I'm actually explaining that before they come there. And then, this is just basically doing the gift cards. So once they sign up and successfully sign up for the gift cards part, I'm actually going to tell them about Waldo and how to sign up for Waldo if they haven't already. If they don't have 5 email receipts, which I'm going to explain to them through the messages on Facebook. So this is basically the way that I'm doing it to refer a whole lot of people to these apps. And since I'm helping them get their first, 2 gift cards from Hooch and Fresh Rewards, they're going to have money to go and buy these things on Amazon and actually get their 5 email receipts without spending any of their own money. So that's how you can get a whole lot of referrals, and that's how you can do this. So I hope this video was very informational. The links will be in the description below. If they don't have 5 email receipts, you definitely want to do this so they can go ahead and get started with you in Waldo fast, so you can get your $10 commission from referring people to Waldo fast. This is super, super, super important. You want to make sure that you are, earning money, with the people that are joining you in these particular apps. So this is a way to do it. This is a way to get them qualified, and this is a way to make money online. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment, share, and show other people this video. And when you get through referring them through all of these apps, you can send them this video link to teach them how to refer people to Waldo as well. Hope this helps you make some money. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.